Finding notes on the piano, on the keyboard can be easy with some really fantastic landmarks to help you out. And thankfully, the piano is perfectly designed for this. If you have not watched the previous videos in this series, stop this video, go back and watch them. In this video, I'm sharing how to find C, D, and E on the piano and how to start creating music using just those 3 notes. As always, pause often so that you can play and explore. This is the absolute best way for you to learn, is to apply what I'm telling you right off the bat. If we haven't met before, I'm Rosemarie, an online piano teacher and composer at Must Love Music, and I make learning piano fun, simple, and interactive with creative ideas and resources to make sure that those smiles happen often. We have talked about the black key groups and how they repeat. Well, this repeating group of 2 black keys, the 2 black key group, is your absolute best friend in finding C, D, and E. And this is why we didn't start with A. Even though this is where the musical alphabet starts, we want to use these landmarks to help us on the piano. Now you can use whatever image works best for you. I'm going to share mine, and if it works, great, and if it doesn't, just create your own. So the 2 black key groups here, I like to think of it as a dog house because inside we have a dog. Makes sense, right? Dog for D. Now to the left, going lower, is a cat. The cat is hiding just outside the dog house, and that's C. And to the right, going higher, is E, which is the elephant. Oh my, okay, I really hope the doghouse was built strong. The imagery might not completely work all the time, but if you imagine a doghouse with a cat outside of it, a dog inside the doghouse, and an elephant just on the other side of it, it's silly enough that it will hopefully stick in your brain. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little practice here. I want you to find the lowest C on the keyboard. You're going to find that group of 2 black keys that's all the way down, and on my camera it's slightly off camera. And again, we're going to go just to the left of it, just lower. Okay, so I'll show you on this one just so that you can actually see. There's C. So I'm going to play C, C, D, E. Find my next group of 2 black keys. C, D, E. Find my next group, 2 black keys. Keep doing this with me. And eventually, you won't even need to put your fingers to find those black keys. You'll just visually see it. Not so bad, right? What I want you to do is play each group of C, D, E going up the piano. Be sure to say the names so it helps stick in your brain better. Go ahead and pause and then come back. All right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to play these groups going down the piano. This is really great. We need to remember that the order of the notes changes, but by doing it both going up and going down, you're going to have a much better memory of this. So starting on our highest E, we found our 2 black keys. And we go E, D, C, find the next group, E, D, C, E, D, C, keep going. Make sure that you practice going up and down the piano plenty. This will really help this stick into your brain. Let's do a little improvising. So if you have watched the previous videos, you're remembering that improvising is creating music in the moment. It doesn't have to be scary. It doesn't have to be complicated. All you're going to do is create a mini song by changing how long or short you hold each note. I want you to choose any group of C, D, or E. I decided for today, I'm going to go a little higher. And you can play the notes in any order you want, as many times as you would like, in whatever rhythmic pattern you want, meaning rhythm is groups of short and long notes. So for example, that's a little mini song, right? Go ahead and try it out. Here's a little challenge for you now. Try moving between groups of C, D, and E on the piano. I'd recommend keep your pattern pretty similar so that your song actually sounds like a song. There's a pattern to it. So for example, not looking for songs that you're going to put on Spotify, but at the same time, you're already creating music. So let me know, what is the image that's going to help you remember where C, D, and E are on the piano? Let me know in the comments below. So let me